Sean Diddy Combs' trial has entered its fifth day. The disgraced rapper, 55, has been in court all week as he faces a number of charges, including racketeering conspiracy, sex trafficking by force, fraud or coercion, and transportation to engage in prostitution. He was arrested in September and strongly denies all allegations made against him. Combs has been imprisoned since his arrest, with a number of bail requests rejected. His former partner of 10 years, Cassie Ventura, has been on the stand most of the week. Defense lawyers started their cross-examination of Cassie on Thursday and will continue on Friday. Judge Arun Subramanian became frustrated with Combs' legal team over the time they are taking to question Cassie, who is 8 months pregnant. He insisted the defense should be given no more than a day and a half, the same amount of time the prosecution had. On Thursday, Cassie broke down in tears toward the end of her testimony. Special Agent Binda works in the Human Trafficking Division at Homeland Security. Binda handled the logistics of Diddy's arrest in September last year and searched the room at the Park Hyatt where he was staying. Cassie's lawyer, Doug Wigdor, has released a statement from the singer. It read, "This week has been extremely challenging, but also remarkably empowering and healing for me. I hope that my testimony has given strength and a voice to other survivors and can help others who have suffered to speak up and also heal from the abuse and fear. I'm glad to put this chapter of my life to rest. As I turn to focus on the conclusion of my pregnancy, I ask for privacy for me and for my growing family." Cassie started to cry while giving evidence about freak-offs. While referring to the money she received from her 2023 settlement with Diddy, the prosecutor asked if she would give it all back if it meant never engaging in a freak-off. "I would have agency and autonomy," she told the court. The attorney reminded Cassie of the claims of alleged beatings, graphic sex acts, and the UTIs she had previously told the court about. "I'm sorry," she repeated while wiping away tears with her head down. "You can continue, I'm sorry," she told the prosecutor. When asked how they made her feel, Cassie said she felt worthless. Cassie sobbed, dabbing her eyes with tissues, as a prosecutor asked her about Combs beating her during freak-offs. She testified that the abuse made her feel worthless, just like dirt, like I was nothing. Cassie said she was initially open to the idea of engaging in the drug-fueled sex marathons because she wanted to make Combs happy and spend time with him, but she grew weary of them as the years went on. "I worried for my safety. I worried for my career," she told jurors, and she worried Combs wouldn't love her anymore.